Hi everyone, welcome back to PLC Automation. In this video, I'm going to give just a quick explanation about the past project we have already did it. So this is the Multimix. For this project, we have two function blocks. One of the function blocks, it's the mix manager, and the second function block is for the tanks. So what it happens, we are going to make a function block. In this function block, we are going to write the code for the tank. For example, let me make it a little bigger. So what we are going to expect here, what we are going to tell the system to do, right? So our tank has a low level, high level, and level percent. So the high level or the low level, it's the tank. So when the tank is going to be empty, the low level will be activated. The high level will be activated when the tank is full. With this sensor, with this variable, we are going to check the currently present liquid inside the tank, right? And this is temperature sensor. We are using PT100. It's a temperature sensor. So for example, the liquid inside our tank, we are going to measure the temperature degree of the liquid inside the tank, okay? So when the tank is empty, you are going to request to fill it, okay? So when this button is activated, you are asking the tank to fill, right? It's ready to fill. And with this variable, when this variable is activated, it means you are going to use some liquid from the tank, request to empty a percentage of liquid from the tank. And we can do it manually, we can do it automatically as well, but it depends then on the mixing manager. And also we have minus temperature, we have also the max temperature. For example, when the heater is on and the temperature goes up to 55, which is not necessary, which is not needed, which is not the demand, and it will gives you an alarm. That the minus or the max temperature, it's not okay. So you are having a complete information of the liquid inside the tank, right? And these are our variables, the output. So whenever you are saying, okay, manual, you are activating manual mode and manual fill, the motor going to be, or the pump going to be turned on to fill your tank, right? We have also some in and out. So in and out variables are very important variables. So it takes it receives the value and it also gives the value, right? And we have also one static variable. The static variables, they are inside your function block, okay? It's inside its own function block, right? And now we are going to have a look to the code. So what we are demanding, when the function block, when we are starting our from starting point, there is the fault level have to be false, right? So if the low level and the high level are both of them are activated, there have to be a fault, because you cannot have a high level and low level. There is a fault, right? So the second line, it's when the temperature, it's normally okay, it's false, it should be okay. When if the temperature goes it's smaller than the minus or bigger than the max temperature, then the fall temperature have to be true. So when your currently temperature is not is not between minus and max, so it should give you an alarm because it's not ready to be used, right? And now we have also a general fault. For example, it equals the same it when the fault level activated, so you will get also a general fault. So it's the same as the another fault. Let me see. You see fault level. So whether you are using this one or using this one, this variable, they are both the same, right? And now, so the tank is ready when there is some liquid. When the low level is activated, the tank is ready and there is no fault. Okay, there is no fault and the low level is activated, so it means there is some liquid inside the tank and the tank is ready. And now we are going to use the manual mode. So for example, if manual mode is activated, we have to be able to control them manually, right? And then returns. And here we use also an stat and 0. So whenever we are turning our sequence in automatic mode, it should start from 0. And what it does, at 0, it's all false, right? So, and when the request fill is activated and not the high level, so the high level should not be activated, right? To be able to fill, to be able to be filled, right? So when the high level is activated, it means there is no space inside the tank. We cannot put any more liquid, water, or anything else inside the tank or inside a box, right? And this one is also, so I have also already did the explanation, so I guess you should read once again and open the code and write the code and see the code. But today I have also thank you for your command on the video. You have asked me to show you the code once again, and that you have an error because the data types were not compatible with NTIA portal. Of course, it's true sometimes TIA portal, when you're missing some brackets, when it's not done on the right way, TIA portal, when it's okay according to some another language, right? In Python or something else, you're writing the code is okay. And you're copy pasting or you're using the same method inside TIA portal. Sometimes it accepts, but sometimes it says it's not compatible, right? We have to use some extra, or we have to delete some operators to be compatible into your portal. Okay, and I think it was the mixing manager, let me see, 43, right? So it was this one. So why it is not compatible? It should be compatible because you see, I think you have missed something here. These two brackets have to be here, right? So what we are asking right now here from our system, if recipe use tank, if in our recipe, this one recipe, use tank 1, this is a billion, right? Billions, use tank 1, if it's activated and the needed person, tank 1, okay, the needed person, for example, you are asking to take 20% out of tank 1. So when you are asking the tank with this variable, okay, participate in the sequence, and there is enough volume inside the tank, it's bigger than 0, it's not 0, it's bigger than 0, and ready for use, is activated, then request to empty should be true. Then you can ask the system to take the liquid out of the tank, okay? Otherwise, if there is no volume in the tank, if there is nothing inside the tank, you are not able to empty something from the tank, or you're not able to take something out of the tank when there is nothing inside the tank, right? Of course, this is a boolean, okay? If this one, and whenever you use the end, so there you have to use the bracket till here, and once again you have to use the bracket, right? I think it was the same code. Yes, I'm sure if you are using if you are going to write the same code in the same way, it's not going to give you an error, right? So T request empty 1, so it means about tank 1. It's here. 1, right? False, stat 20. It's a boolean. 43, right? And all the codes, all the steps. It's the same. This is for tank 1, tank 2, tank 3, tank 4, tank 5. Okay, it's the same. And now we have, and it's the last here. It starts from here, go. It's a long code, right? Done. I will show once again. You can copy. You can just stop the video and just overtype it from the video, right? And now I think it was the mixing. Yes, the mixing manager, and this is the tank code. The tank code we have also. This is the tank. It starts from here. That is the starting point, and it goes down till here, right? Let me show you that as well, because it's hidden. Yeah, till here, right? Everything. All right. So what we did in our OB1, we have called one time mixing manager call, okay, and 5 times we have called the tank, this function block. So tank 1, tank 2, tank 3, tank 4, tank 5, done, right? And here we have our instance data block, and we have our globals data block. This is our recipe, and this is our tanks data block we are using for our recipe management. And I think we have also UDTs, UDT recipe mix. This is our recipe data, and this is UDT tanks. This one. It's the same as here, right? Okay. So I hope you have solved your issue. But again, if it's not solved, just send me an email on the provided email address. I will just email you the same code as I have written here, right? So